If you're struggling to stay consistent with your goals, or you feel like you keep starting strong but losing momentum halfway, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to set, track, and actually achieve your goals using Notion. And the best part? You can keep everything in one simple system. Let's start by opening a new page in Notion. Think of this as your command center. Give it a title like, My Goals, or 2025 Vision. What we want is a space that not only stores your goals but guides you through them each day. Inside this page, create a database. This will be where each goal lives. Add properties like target date, category, status, progress, and even a motivation note if you like writing reminders to your future self. Keep it simple, but make sure each property actually helps you stay focused. Now type out your goals in the database. The key here is clarity. Instead of writing something broad like, get healthy, try something like, lose 5 kilograms, or, work out 4 times a week. The more specific the goal, the easier it is to track and measure. Once your goals are inside the database, switch to a view that works best for you. Some people like a board view so they can drag goals from not started to in progress to completed. Others prefer a calendar view so they can see deadlines. Or you can use a list if you want something straightforward. Choose the one that feels natural because the easier it is to use, the more likely you'll stick with it. Now let's talk about tracking. This is where Notion becomes powerful. You can add simple formulas to calculate progress, or you can connect your goals to habit trackers, daily journals, or action plans. For example, if your goal is to save money, you can link it to a finance tracker. If your goal is to learn a new skill, connect it to a study log. The goal becomes easier when it is tied to actual daily actions. You can also create a template button to add progress updates. When you click it, it automatically inserts a new log entry with today's date. This keeps your tracking organized and consistent. But here's something that matters even more: reflection. At least once a week, open your Notion page and check where you are. What worked this week? What didn't? What can you adjust? Notion makes it easy to add a reflection section where you can write quick notes to yourself. Finally, celebrate your wins. When you complete a goal, drag it to completed, or mark it as done. Seeing your progress visually gives you motivation and momentum. You'll start realizing that goals aren't achieved overnight, they're achieved through small, consistent steps that you track over time. So whether you want to improve your health, upgrade your career, fix your finances, or finally build new habits, Notion can help you stay organized, focused, and accountable. If you're ready to level up your planning and become more productive, try building this simple system in Notion. Set your goals. Track them clearly. And watch yourself achieve more than you expected. Thanks for watching, and if you want more Notion scripts or templates, just let me know.